Maths app, everyone. For today's video, we will learn about similar and dissimilar fractions. If you are wondering how do we solve similar and dissimilar fractions given these problems, 1/5 plus 3/5 for similar fractions, while 1/4 plus 1/3 for dissimilar fractions. Well, let us proceed in defining similar fractions. Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominator. We have two steps in solving similar fractions. First is to add or subtract the numerators. Please note that we have a different procedure in multiplying and dividing fractions. That is why we are focusing on adding and subtracting them. For step 2, we need to copy the denominator. Now, let us solve the given problem for similar fractions. 1/5 plus 3/5. Step 1 is to add or subtract the numerators. So 1 plus 3 is equals 4. And then step 2 is to copy the denominator, which is 5. And that's it. Our final answer for 1/5 plus 3/5 is 4/5. Let us now go to dissimilar fractions. What are dissimilar fractions? Dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators. There are three steps in solving dissimilar fractions. Step 1 is to get the fraction's LCD, or the least common denominator. Step 2 is to convert them to similar fractions. And step 3 is to perform the given operation. Proceeding with the given problem, 1/4 plus 1/3. Let us find the LCD of the two denominators. The LCD of 3 and 4 is 12. Next is we're going to convert them into similar fractions. For 1/4, let us multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 so that our denominator will become 12. So 1 times 3 is equals to 3, and 4 times 3 is equals to 12. While for 1/3, let us multiply the numerator and denominator by 4 so that our denominator will become 12. So 1 times 4 is equals to 4, and 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Now, we have similar fractions, which are 3 over 12 and 4 over 12. For step 3, let us perform the given operation. 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12. Let us add the two numerators. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. And then, let us copy the denominator, which is 12. Our final answer for 1/4 plus 1/3 is 7 over 12. Now, your turn. Try solving these two given problems. Remember to follow the steps in solving similar and similar fractions. 6 over 8 plus 1 over 8 for similar fractions, and 1/4 plus 1/2 for the similar fractions. See you next time as Archimedes awaits you. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be updated for our next video.